Good morning, everyone. Bob Iacchino, along with Mike Arnold, co-founders of Path Trading Partners. This is an individual stock path chat for the morning of April 13th. We wanted to start off the individual equities during earnings season with a couple of bank earnings that came out. We had JP Morgan and Wells Fargo come out this morning prior to the market open. It is about 33 minutes before the equity markets open, because if financials start to run up, it will pull the market up. It's one of the sectors, along with energy, that's been kind of sideways, slightly underperforming when the market rallies. As of late, energy's done a little bit better with the rise in crude oil prices. But really quick, JP Morgan Chase earnings overnight, 165 per share versus an expectation of 152. Their trading revenue totaled $6.515 billion, topping expectations. Their average core loans rose 9% year over year. No major blemishes. Their U.S. consumer and business health are good overall. We will talk in the podcast about a problem that Mike sees with some credit card charge-offs, but we'll talk about that in the Money Path podcast that'll be released on Saturday. Wells Fargo, $1 EPS versus 97 cents expected by analyst consensus. Revenue slightly lower, $22 billion versus $22.32 billion. Unlike JP Morgan, there were a couple of blemishes in this report, notably weaker mortgage originations. Let me turn it over to Mike real quick to let you know what he's seeing on the charts pre-market, and then we will talk to you guys this afternoon if anything major happens. Mike, it's all yours.
Okay, thank you very much, Bob. So you can see we had a slight gap up pre-market, tested some prior pre-market highs, and now falling back down, looking like we're going to fill the gap. Right now we're trading right around the 85.70 mark. And just to put that into context, switching it to the daily look, that's essentially 85.70 right here. So JP Morgan's fallen back, still testing some support. So nothing big going on with that yet. So we'll have to see how it opens. Wells Fargo released theirs, popped up a little, then immediately started falling back down. To put that in context, right now they're trading right around 51.88. They have broken key support a couple days ago, especially yesterday with the close below this key support at 53.70 area. Now they're headed lower. Next support area is this 51.50 to 51.60 area right in here. And then if that's broken, we could see 50.89, and then we really don't have much. We have a couple gaps left behind. So it's not looking terribly good for Wells Fargo. I would not be stepping in to be a buyer at this. This would be sort of catching a falling knife at that point. I'd let it definitely base and see how it then turns around. So that's just a quick update. Back to you, Bob.
Thanks, Mike. Again, we'll cover a lot of the earnings that come out at the start of earnings season, which is underway in the Money Path podcast, which will be recorded Friday morning and released sometime on Saturday. Cheers, everyone. Thanks for watching.